What are you doing?
Phil?
What are you doing?
Phil?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's
in Lemanberg, you said.
This is Leman. Okay, I will admit. Do you know what this button is?
Uh-huh. I do.
Have you heard the song on the walls before? Have you heard the song? I was just saying, I made this big point, and it was poignant, and it was that there was a special place where men could go, but it's not there anymore. You know, it's not.
It is there. You've just won it back, Will.
Phil, I'm always so close to pressing this button, Phil. I have been here like 7 or 8 times. I have been here 7 or 8 times. Oh, they're gonna come and. Oh, I need to block this off. I don't want them in here. I don't want them in here. Phil, I've been here so many times. They're fighting. They're fighting.
And you want to just blow it all up.
I do. I think
You fought so hard to get this land back.
I don't even.
So hard.
I don't even know if it works anymore, Phil. I don't even know if the button works. I could press it, and it might.
Do you really want to take that risk? There is a lot of TNT potentially connected to that button.
Phil, there was a saying, Phil, by a traitor. Once part of the Manberg. A traitor, I don't know if you heard of Erit.
Yeah.
He had a saying, Phil. It was never meant to be.
Oh my god. You didn't. Oh my god! Will! It's all gone!
My Lemanberg, Phil! My unfinished symphony, forever unfinished! If I can't have this, no one can, Phil!
Oh my god.
Kill me, Phil. Phil, kill me. Phil, kill me. Phil, stab me with the sword. Murder me now. Kill me. Kills her. Kills her. Look, they all want you to. Do it, Phil. Kill me. Phil, kill me.
You're my son!
Phil, kill me!
No matter what you... Dude, no matter what you build, I can't...
Bill, this isn't... It's... Look! Look! How much work went into this and it's gone? Do it.